Welcome to this video. This is the same as the last paper. In other words, 2019, February, March. Obviously, question paper 42. That's the only one they do. Polyesters and polyamides are two important types of condensation polymer. Draw the structure of a compound that can polymerize to produce a polyamide without the need for a second monomer. In other words, if you're going to have this, if you're going to use one monomer, there has to be functional groups, different functional groups at either ends. Okay, so for example, let's have a look at that on one end. Okay, this can be anything really. Let's just do this, and then put that on the other end. Okay, and if I draw another one of these next to it, CH2 twice, and COCl, this guy can polymerize, can't it, on its own? All right, and the HCl comes off. It's going to form an amide there. Okay, and this will go on to form another one, and this one will form one. So it is, it will form a polyamide. So we're checking that box. There's only one of them needed, so that's okay. And that's it. That's what we got to do with that one. Right, so we're good with that. Let me do the next bit though. Can't quite remember this one. I'm going in blind on this one, so I hope I don't mess it up. Let me find it. There it is. I hope maybe this is what I typically have the problem with this one. I don't know. All right, there we are. Draw the structures of two different compounds that can polymerize together to produce a polyester with 4 carbon atoms per repeat unit. Name the two compounds. All right, two compounds that can polymerize together. All right, so we've got 4 carbon atoms per repeat unit. So this looks quite tricky, doesn't it? But I'm sure it's not. All right, so two different compounds. So let's have a look at this one. We don't have to draw the polyamides. What we've got to do is draw the structure that can polymerize together to form a polyester with 4. Okay, so how are you going to form a polyester? Polyester is that, isn't it? So let's have a look at that. I'm going to put 2 carbons in this monomer. This is called ethane 1,2-diol, isn't it? And I need 2 in the other one, so I'm going to put my carboxylic acid here, there, and there. And this is called ethane dioic acid, isn't it? All right, there you go. I think that's it, isn't it? So this is a compound. Have I read it right? I think it looks too simple to me. Structure of 2 different compounds that can polymerize together. These can, so we tick that box. Produce a polyester. These will produce a polyester with 4 carbon atoms in the repeat unit. Yeah, I think that's it. Because the repeat unit's going to be something like this bit. And something like that bit, isn't it? It's going to knock out that, isn't it? So the repeat unit's going to have 2 carbon atoms here and 2 carbon atoms here. All right. I think I've done that right. Is that right? If it's wrong, someone please tell me. But I think that's okay. I'm pretty sure that's okay. Maybe I've got it wrong, but you please tell me if I got that wrong. All right. Bye bye.